What? Today's video is about what, some more effective expressions and questions using what. What do you do for a living? Well, I'm a designer. What are you studying? I'm studying commerce. What's your email address or what's your ID? What do you think about this issue or what's your opinion about this? Now you can also use what for some expressions. Like if you see a beautiful place or a scenery, you can say, what a beauty, what a marvel, what scenery. If you want to appreciate someone's work, you can say, what awesome work, what great ideas, or what a wonderful presentation. You can say, what a beautiful smile, what a lovely shirt, what an amazing party. So if you think this video is awesome, type what an awesome video, what a rocking video, what a fantastic video. Type now and comment.